Hi, I'm checking in with you a little bit earlier than usual, primarily to draw your attention to the fact that it's Raising Awareness Week for mental health. And we've sent a lot of information on the bulletins to you, all very useful. Much of it I've benefited myself from. It says stuff like try and keep a routine, don't be too hard on yourself. Very easy to do that when you're not in contact with as many people and you're drawing your own conclusions about how you're doing. And also to open up and speak to people about how you're feeling. That's also important. My routine in the first few weeks certainly went to pot, and I've certainly put that routine back now. My routine before coming to work was to take the dog out very early in the morning for a long walk. I'm pleased to say that that is now back in check, and Marco the dog is absolutely delighted. So take note and look after and prioritise your own mental health and speak to people about how you're feeling. Second reason for doing this a little bit earlier was to draw your attention to the closing date for the questionnaire on how you might want to see things looking when we get back to work, however that looks. So very keen, as I mentioned last week, to get your views. So please take time to fill that questionnaire. The closing date is this Friday. Delighted that about 100 of you have already filled the questionnaire, and it's very interesting what is coming out of that. Next week, just a heads up, it's unlikely I'll be doing a video because I'm planning to take leave. And as you know, I've been encouraging you all to do that so that you don't lose it. But having said that, I'm planning to be off for most of the week. But next week is the third week of the current lockdown situation, and we would be expecting to learn whether Welsh Government are going to lift any of the restrictions starting the following week. So because of that, I'll be keeping a close eye on what's happening, and I may well come back to work towards the end of next week, but not be in a position to do a video. So apologies for that. So I'll leave it there for now. Take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, and enjoy this weather that we're getting, which is great. See you.